Welcome to the Log6 sterilization system. Log6 was developed to become a key component in the arsenal of hygiene tools and program management within the healthcare system. Essentially, it is a tool that provides superior microorganism control through specialized applications of chlorine dioxide vapor. The healthcare industry has been challenged with an unprecedented number of difficult organisms and infectious disease outbreaks throughout the entire system, causing an estimated 100,000 deaths per year in North America. The industry has strived to develop programs that counter the potential cross-contaminations from room to room, patient to patient, and lastly, worker to worker. Some of these organisms are developing resistance to traditional antibiotic treatments, thereby causing an increase in the severity of infection, and in fact, creating a significant need to be ever more diligent with our hygiene processes and programs where they count on the floor and in the working environments of our facilities. The Log6 decontamination tool is just one key component in the arsenal we have to combat the cross-contamination of these organisms. The sterilization technology is very simple. It is not new in any fashion. In fact, it has been used in other critical hygiene industries for over 40 years. Our Log6 application differs in only one way from traditional uses. The traditional challenge has been to keep chlorine dioxide gas soluble in water for a liquid application to the surfaces to be sanitized. We have reversed this process by intentionally making the chlorine dioxide vapor release from the water and decontaminate the entire chamber volume, regardless of how difficult the access. This enables the sanitation of parts in places not normally available for traditional cleaning methodologies and hygiene levels of organism control not possible any other way. Any electronic component or office utensil that will fit into the chamber can be treated and decontaminated, providing the lid can properly fit without any obstruction. The chambers can be configured to treat nearly any shape imaginable, given the development time to do so. The lab data outlined on this page demonstrates the lethality of chlorine dioxide as a broad-spectrum antimicrobial tool. You can see that bacteria, viruses, fungi, and even spores can be controlled by chlorine dioxide applications. It is a water-soluble gas, which makes it unique when compared to traditional cleaning techniques, and can be utilized for dry application where all others must be manually applied and all possible surfaces accessible to clean. It is this property that makes the vapor the most effective choice for these applications. We all understand data or results created in a laboratory environment can oftentimes be difficult to reproduce in actual real-world applications. In order to verify what our preliminary work appeared to show, we began a beta test of 2 units in the hospital environment. We implemented a controlled study at the London Health Science Centre to prove our lab results would repeat in this difficult environment. 2 keyboards were studied for several months with testing both before and after treatment. These were multi-user keyboards, one being used by the nursing staff and the other by the attending physicians. All untreated keyboards were contaminated heavily every day of our test period. All treated keyboards were then confirmed to be substantially free of any organism loads after treatment. Given these rather compelling results, we then tried similar studies with oxygen saturation sensors in emergency areas and stethoscopes for emergency personnel. Both showed similar results and are considered to be key in the fight against cross-contamination and excessive healthcare costs. Dr. Michael Reeder is with the Schulich School of Medicine and Dentistry and is a University of Western Ontario faculty scholar.
Log6 is a way in which the computer keyboard can be placed in a container and a bactericidal mist generated which kills bacteria without exposing the computer keyboard components to potentially harmful liquids. It's efficient, it's fast, and it works well.
For more information, please visit www.log-vi.com or email us at info@log-vi.com. Be sure to watch Part 2 to see how simple the Log6 sterilization system is to use.